धेरै चुलबुल पनि हुन मिलेन अब तपाईँहरू आज म चुलबुल छु भनेर ट्याप लाएर सो या भेरी ग्रेटफुल
went to Pashupatinath Mandir today and it was so divine.
अब त्यो स्क्रिप्टले त्यही मागेपछि अब अलिकति लजाउनु पर्यो नि त हिन्दीमा बोल्नु अभियसली इट्स अ बलिउड सर्ट मुभी सो हिन्दीमै बोल्नु पर्यो मेरा हिन्दी एक्सेंट कैसा लगा आपको
उनका generally also उनका Hindi accent is not hard. Like I think she can come to India and fake it that she's
And she
Indian.
rock in India as well.
You watch the movie and you say it for yourself.
मलाई मान्छेहरूले टिकटकर भन्दाखेरि मलाई कहिले पनि डिमिङ गरेको चाहिँ कहिले पनि फिल भएन किनभने म त्यहीबाट आएको म टिकटक बनाएरै म यहाँसम्म आएको
Anybody can do it, right? And if she's reached here by in that wide
That
if
range.
like that range, like if anybody can do it and she's reached here, that means like
That's a huge achievement.
yeah, that's a huge achievement.
मैले यस्तो गाली गरेको नि
But like now what do I do? What did my DOP tell you?
चाहिँ अब इन्डियामा चाहिँ कसैले पनि मोमोज भन्यो भने उसले गाली गर्छ अरे के
If anybody is like watching back home like in India, please, it's not momos, it's momo.
मोमो या थ्याङ्क यू
I'm gonna go back home and like whichever boat that I find like momos in, I'm gonna make a video too.
All
I'm gonna
the
like
boats?
scratch the S out, okay?
Sabasta Entertainment.
First of all, to our very own Be Unique, a very warm welcome to Nepal.
Thank you so much. This is my first time like
it's
in
your
Nepal.
first
Yeah, it's my
time?
first time in Nepal.
Because are you excited of being
I'm
here?
really excited. I went to Pashupatinath Mandir today and it was so divine. Like it's great start, I guess.
Okay, so how did orange chutney happen?
It happened like in like super rush. I was thinking about an idea which could relate to like Gen Z people, and then I started writing it, and it eventually like it turned out to be this orange chutney. It's a rom-com. I've been doing this since like past probably like 13 years, and I can say this is my best work so far.
So how was it working with Eva Giri?
It was amazing. She's as jolly as like she is like right in front of you guys.
Is chutney material?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But you should watch her in the movie.
Okay.
She's playing like totally opposite to chutney material. She's playing a really shy girl from Nepal.
You're a shy girl in orange chutney?
डु यु थिङ्क सो आई एम
हामी नेपालीमै बोलौँ नेपाली अडियन्सको लागि तपाईँको तर्फबाट चाहिँ होइन तपाईँ यस्तो चुलबुले होइन लाजको ल पनि नभएको मान्छे होइन तपाईँ यहाँ लजाइरहनु भएको छ
अब
मैं भी समझ गया.
आई मिन अब त्यो स्क्रिप्टले त्यही मागेपछि अब अलिकति लजाउनु पर्यो नि त अनि फर्स्ट अब नयाँ अरू देशमा गएपछि अलिकति धेरै चुलबुल पनि हुन मिलेन अब तपाईँहरू आज म चुलबुल छु भनेर सो या अलिकति मेरो क्यारेक्टर मेरो रोल चाहिँ अलिकति एकदमै इट्स भेरी साइलेन्ट भेरी यु नो एकदम सफ्ट
जुन चाहिँ म होइन।
साई जुन चाहिँ म अभियसली होइन 1% पनि होइन म सोच्ने बेला कहिले पनि लाइक आई डोन्ट थिङ्क एन्ड स्पिक त्यो मेरो प्रब्लम छ देखिहाल्नु भएको छ इन्टरभ्युजहरूमा पनि सो आई लाइक फन भेरी फन
मेच्युरिटी नआएको भनौँ
होइन मेच्योरिटी आएको जस्ट द्याट म आइम ओपन बुक अनि आइम समन आई डोन्ट लाइक टु फेक इट के सो म जे हो आई कुड नेभर यु नो लाइक
Pretend.
प्रिटेन्ड अन मिडिया सो इट नेभर ह्यापन मेरो केसमा चाहिँ एन्ड द्याट्स वाइ मलाई कति धेरै अडियन्सले पनि बिकज अफ मी बिङ सो आउट स्पोकन दे लभ इट the interviews that I've given, the lines that I've said, it's become so much like all over Dapal and everything. So Chapalaira. So yeah, very grateful. Ani, I don't want to change who I am. I think I should not change for being myself. So yeah.
तपाईँले उहाँको उसमा अरेन्ज चटनीमा चाहिँ नेपाली नै बोलिरहनु भएको छ कि तपाईँलाई हामीले हिन्दीमा संवाद गरेको सुन्छौँ
हिन्दीमा बोल्नु अभियसली इट्स अ बलिउड सर्ट मुभी सो हिन्दीमै बोल्नु पर्यो
गाह्रो भयो हिन्दी बोल्न त्यो एक्सेन्ट पक्रिन कतिको
वाज इट हार्ड फर मी आपको
हाउ वाज द हिन्दी एक्सेन्ट
मेरा हिंदी एक्सेंट कैसा लगा आपको
उनका generally also उनका Hindi accent is not hard. Like I think she can come to India and fake it that she's
and she
Indian.
rock in India as well
You watch the movie and you say it for yourself. But then I can say she's an amazing actor because like as I told you, the character that she played is very shy, and as soon as the camera shuts off and she becomes this bubbly girl, and I'm like, what just happened? So I think she's an amazing actor, and like the rest I can like leave it up to you guys, and you guys can watch the movie. It'll come out probably like in a week, and you guys tell me if she can rock it in Hindi or no.
okay so I just saw your post actually after you know when we were called over here, then I watched you. I went through your profile, and you wrote 4 days back. You wrote a very emotional caption on this orange chutney's picture. You say that do people try to demean YouTubers in India?
I mean, it's not really demean, but what I said is, it wasn't about just being a YouTuber. It's just that I don't know if you guys saw Obsession. It's made by a YouTuber, right? So my logic behind writing that was like, if you go to a YouTuber who does make movies, like I'm saying, like obviously people follow trend now. So if they've seen a YouTuber make a movie and made like, it was made in $1 million, then it made like 130 million or something. Like in India, it's like, I can calculate, it was made in 7 crores and it made 1300 crores. So I was saying, if people follow trend, I don't want them to go to people who are just famous for like different work. I think that worked because he was a YouTuber who made movies. Apart from the fact of just being a YouTuber, he made movies. I've been making movies like all my life. So that's what I was like trying to tell people, that if people come and find people who want like, if they want to follow trend and find people who make great movies, I know like I'm one of them. I know a lot of my friends like back home. We've been doing this since like 13 years now, and I know everybody who do like make amazing movies. That's what I wanted to say. And rest you can like watch it when this movie comes out.
Sure, for sure. जस्तो अब तपाईँले अब अहिलेको टाइममा त हुन्छ नि नेपाली फिल्म पनि त गरिरहनु भएको छ नि त होइन, नेपाल र भारतको काम गराइमा चाहिँ कतिको अन्तर पाउनु भयो एक हिसाबले होइन, किनभने त्यहाँ त युट्युब नै काम गरे पनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ अलिकति बढी नै हुन्छ नि डिसिप्लिन छ, या फिर अलिकति कामको एथिकल हिसाबले पनि अलिकति राम्रै काम गर्नुहुन्छ भन्ने खालको कुराहरू हामीले सुनिरहेको हुन्छ होइन, तपाईँले त्यो डिफ्रेन्सिएट पाउनु भएको?
डिफ्रेन्स त अभियसली छ, किनभने अब इन्डिया इज नोन फर बलिउड, वी क्यान नट रिच अहिले बलिउड. it's gonna take us very long time कि बलिउडको लेभलमा रिच हुनलाई. सो त्यहाँको प्रडक्सन, त्यहाँको म्यान पावर, त्यहाँको एभ्रिथिङ इज भेरी भास्ट. इट्स इन्सेन भन्दा हुन्छ. सो नेपालले त्यो म्याच गर्न अलिकति टाइम लाग्छ. आइम नट कम्पेयरिङ नेपाल र इन्डिया, वी सुड नट कम्पेयर, किनभने नेपालको आफ्नै त्यो खुबी छ र इन्डियाको आफ्नै स्पेसियालिटी छ. सो नेपालमा काम गर्न मलाई आफ्नै देश भइरहेछ, आफ्नै कन्ट्री, आफ्नै घर यहीँ छ. काम गर्न छुट्टै मजा आउँछ. इन्डियामा काम गर्न छुट्टै मजा आउँछ. अरूको देश, अरूको भाषा त्यो पक्रेर त्यो बोल्नलाई उहाँले दे रिस्पेक्ट अस, दे रिस्पेक्ट आर्टिस्ट रियली अ लट, दे रिस्पेक्ट द आर्टिस्ट. अनि इट्स भेरी गुड टु वर्क बोथ द कन्ट्री, यु नो. नेपाल र इन्डियामा काम गर्न चाहिँ एकदमै रमाइलो भइरहेछ मलाई चाहिँ, अनेस्टली भन्नु. आई नेभर एक्सपेक्टेड आई वुड गेट टु वर्क in India and Nepal at the same time, so I'm very grateful, very happy.
होइन हामीले पनि सोचेको थिएनौँ, किनभने तपाईँलाई हामीले सोसियल मिडियामा देखिरह नि त, तपाईँले कलाकारिता क्षेत्रलाई यसरी फलाङ लगाएर नेपाल र भारतलाई सँगै एउटै उसमा राख्नुहुन्छ भने हामीले पनि सोचेका थिएनौँ. कतिको आफूलाई पनि गर्व लागिरहेछ, किनभने सोसियल मिडियामा काम गर्दाखेरि उहाँले आफैले लेखे जसरी होइन, जस्तो युट्युबलाई यस्तो भनिन्छ भन्ने खालको पोस्टहरू उहाँले आफैले लेखिरहँदाखेरि तपाईँलाई पनि त कलाकार भन्दा पनि टिकटकर भनेर बढी चिनिरहेको हो नि त होइन. तर तपाईँले अहिले फिल्म गरिरहनु भएको छ होइन, त्यो हिसाबले चाहिँ आफूलाई मैले गरेर देखाइरहेको छु. ती सम्पूर्ण व्यक्तिहरूलाई जसले चाहिँ मलाई नै नकारात्मक प्रतिक्रियाहरू पनि दिइरहेको थियो भन्ने सकिन्छ.
यस्तो मलाई मान्छेहरूले टिकटकर भन्दाखेरि मलाई कहिले पनि डिमिन गरेको छ, कहिले पनि फिल भएन, किनभने म त्यहीबाट आएको. म टिकटक बनाएरै म यहाँसम्म आएको. मलाई नेपालले चिन्नु भएको नै बिकज आई मेक फनी कन्टेन्ट्स. मेरो बुवा र आमासँग, म आफ्नो बाबा र मामुसँग भिडियो बनाएरै दे गट टु नो मी एज इभा गिरी. सो म कहिले पनि हुन्छ नि, आई वुड नेभर बी लाइक ओ आम अ टिकटकर, पिपल विल बी नो, किनभने मैले एउटा पोइन्टमा आई मेड पिपल लाफ. कोभिडको टाइममा देयर वर सो मेनी पिपल टेलिङ मी आइ एम सो डिप्रेस्ड, मलाई मेरो बुवालाई कोभिड भइरहेको छ. तर तपाईँको भिडियो हेरेर मलाई कति खुसी हुन्छ. मान्छेलाई रुवाउनु एकदम गाह्रो हुन्छ र हँसाउन चाहिँ एकदमै कठिन हुन्छ कि. रुवाउनु एकदम सजिलो हुन्छ, हँसाउन चाहिँ गाह्रो हुन्छ. सो मैले त्यो गरेँ. अनि आई वुड नेभर बी लाइक ओ माई गड म टिकटकर भएर यो हो त्यो हो. तर इट्स नेभर डिफिकल्ट टु change being a content creator and move to movies, किनभने you can do anything in life, like anything is possible. You can be a pilot, you can be anything you want in life. You just have to be confident and
You are super confident.
and ignore the negativity, I would say, because media ma धेरै मान्छेहरु हुनुहुन्छ, social media ma धेरै नै negativity छ अहिले त, especially TikTok ma, Instagram ma, there is a lot of negativity के सानो कुरामा एकदमै ठुलो नै इस्यु बनाइदिनुहुन्छ, सानो कुरा लिएर एकदम इस्यु बनाइदिनुहुन्छ. सो यस्तो फिल्डमा आउन चाहिँ आई फिल लाइक यु निड टु इग्नोर अल दोज कमेन्ट्स, अल दोज नेगेटिभिटिज एन्ड जस्ट you know, यसरी घोडा जसरी you have to be sharp like this.
You know what I feel about this, like whatever I understood.
You understood it.
I understood it.
Okay.
Whatever I feel in this is that whoever you think demeans people who do TikTok or Instagram, I would like to
Also
say
social media platform.
Yeah, but what I would like to say is like if people are making movies, there are only a bunch of people making movies, right? It's not democratic. It's not, you can't just get and say that I want to be an actor and you get a movie instantly, right? Obviously you take a lot of time. This is the most democratic thing, right? So you're fighting against the whole world. You're fighting against the population of probably Nepal for her. So it's anybody can do it, right? And if she's reached here by in that wide like
That
if
range.
like that range, like if anybody can do it and she's reached here, that means like
That's a huge achievement.
yeah, that's a huge achievement. And that, like, you know, you can say people of like you can talk about people in the movies if there are only a bunch of people who are doing it, and they're like, I guess Nepal's population is probably around 2-3 crore people. In this 2-3 crore people, if she's like in the top 1%, that means she's doing amazing.
So how did you find Niva?
I used to follow her work, and then when I was writing it, I don't know, it may sound weird now, but like when I was writing it, I had her in my mind, and then I just dropped her a text saying that, hey, I've written something. There's this movie. I sent her a trailer of my last movie,
Okay.
and I told her, and that's also amazing.
You
if you
were
have
the
time.
one who emailed her?
What?
Were you the one who emailed her?
Yeah. I texted her on
You
Instagram.
approached her.
Yes. And I showed her the teaser of my last movie, and I told her that I've written something, and I'd like to send it to you. And if you really like it, just let me know. We can do it together. And I sent her, and I like generally when you like as a writer, I've directed and written this too. Generally, as a writer, when you send a script to someone, the normal response time is probably around like 3-4 days. She texted me back like in an hour saying that I'm doing this.
Okay.
I'm like, you read this already? She's like, yeah, it's amazing.
Okay. So, have you seen her that parody video of Sayyara? Have you seen that video?
Yes.
How did you find it?
It was really funny. If you guys know me, I do funny videos, and I laughed a lot
that
in
was
that.
like the
I know the
nice
whole-
one.
No, I saw.
No,
Which one?
you're
The
right.
parody one I saw.
No, he
Not the parody. I recreated the.
he recreate the whole song.
I
Actually.
watched it.
Oh, I saw the parody one, I guess.
No, yeah, the other one. I guess
Yeah,
you
yeah.
saw that. Yeah. I didn't
She
see that.
recreated the whole song
Yeah,
actually.
Yeah?
With one of the actor over here, Insan Bongzami is over
That
here.
went crazy. Yeah.
Yeah. Sick.
So okay, so what do you know about Nepal actually? Have you researched anything about Nepal?
Well, not really. Like this is my first time here. In fact, like we decided this like very fast, and she told me when we were shooting this that, hey, I'm gonna do like a premiere, like an event in Nepal, and I was like, yeah, sure. I wasn't like sure that she's this sure about it, this certain about it, and then like few days ago she's like, hey, I'm doing this on 6/17. I'm like, are you sure? Like, yeah. So it was very quick. I didn't get time because I was filming the other stuff that I'm doing back home. So I didn't research much, but like it's amazing. Like this is my second day, first time in Nepal, and I'm just cursing myself. Why didn't I come earlier?
Yeah. Sad.
Yeah.
You should come here often.
Let me remind you again. There's always a huge fight with the word Momo. Do you know that?
I know that now because of her.
Okay.
And like the
Do you
amount
also-
of time she's.
You also said momos?
Yeah, he did.
Yes, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Police to गाली गरेको नि.
But like now, what do I do? What did my DOP tell you?
चाहिँ अब इन्डियामा चाहिँ कसैले पनि मोमोज भन्यो भने उसले गाली गर्छ अरे
Okay,
के
very
इज
good.
लाइक रिप्रेजेन्टिङ नेपाल नाउ
Okay.
on behalf of
repping-
Momo community.
Yes,
Yeah?
on behalf. So in my movie also, because when I wrote it, I wrote momos. So like after she started yelling at me, I started like editing. Okay, momo.
So like very disrespectful I find it, you know, momos होइन
We
नि
all
I know.
We all Nepalese find it very disrespectful.
Dis-
So,
disrespected. Yeah,
if anybody
for
is like
sure.
watching back home, like in India, please, it's not momos, it's momo.
Momo, yeah, thank you
I'm
so
gonna
much.
go back home and like whichever boat that I find like momos in, I'm gonna make a video too.
All
I'm gonna
the
like
boats?
scratch the S out, okay?
And
Wow.
let's say it's not momos, it's momo with orange chutney.
With
Yeah,
orange
with orange
chutney.
chutney.
Yes.
Not red chutney, not green chutney, orange chutney.
So what
Yeah.
is orange chutney about?
Orange Chutney is a sweet little rom-com that I wrote, and it's about. I don't think I should like. It's a short movie, so if I like tell you the premise,
Don't spoil
Yeah,
the
yeah,
climax.
yeah,
Just give us some gist.
it's a cute little short rom-com movie. I was just thinking about because I've grown up watching Hindi films, right?
Yeah. We all do.
Yeah, that's amazing. So I was just thinking about like when was the last Hindi movie which was like a rom-com that I saw, which is like a proper rom-com, not like obsessed lover, like romantic movie, like a proper rom-com which I used like, which I
A subtle love
like a
story.
subtle like your Hum Tum.
Yeah,
I've grown up
love
watching
Hum
this
Tum.
Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na. So these are the movies that I've grown up
Auntie.
watching. Yeah, and I was like, India is missing this, and probably Nepal too because we've grown up watching
Yes,
Hindi
obviously.
movies too. So I wrote a little.
Because these days love stories are very intense, you know.
Very complicated.
Very hardcore, intense.
Yeah,
This is
situationships and
this-
all of that involved.
I'm old. I don't know what that means
So
though.
you do know that.
But yeah.
We are also old. I mean, I'm old.
I'm
not you.
Yeah, so this is a cute little rom-com, and my dad used to say like I'd asked him like 6-7 years ago, probably like when this movie came, Bagban, that do you want to go watch the movie? And my dad told me like in Hindi, like he abused me and he said कि पागल है क्या? मैं पैसा भी दूँ और रोहू भी. which like changed my perspective in life, and I'm like, why would I I don't want to make anything like there's enough negativity.
Movies should be all about
Exactly,
entertainment.
it's about entertainment. You should come there, laugh, have a laugh, and smile. It'll put a smile on your face when you go back home. You'll have a smile on your face. That's for
Yeah,
sure.
definitely.
So do you see her future in acting?
Oh, 100%. There's one thing for sure because I did multiple things here, right? So I wrote, I acted in it, I directed it, I produced it. So she was just acting. So I'm sure she was just acting, yeah. But
That's a lot.
but that's a lot. But I think because of that, after this, if this goes really well, I think quote me on this that she's gonna get more offers than me.
Okay.
Wow.
See,
Wow, that's
you
a
should
huge-
give him all the credit.
Yeah,
if
all
you
the
make
credits,
if you make
yeah.
it big, you should give
Yeah,
him all the
always.
credit.
I keep telling her
Always.
keep me your manager. I'll come manage you.
तपाईको पोटेन्शियल उहाँले देखिरहनु भएको छ, नेपाली कम देखिरह हो।
त्यस्तो लाग्यो मलाई
हुन त 5 पाण्डवमा तपाईको मुख्य भूमिका छ र क्लाइमेक्समा एकदम दामी छ भन्ने मेरो कानमा परिसकेको छ हेर्नु।
हजुर, एकदम
हैन
intense
बाहिरबाट
हो।
आएको छैन तर एकदमै परिसकेको छ हैन।
हजुर।
कसरी लिइरहनु भएको छ यो काम गर्ने?
मलाई त्यो क्यारेक्टरमा डुब्न चाहिँ एकदमै गाह्रो भएको थियो। त्यो इट वाज अब के आई डोन्ट थिङ्क आई क्यान मैले खोल्न मिल्छ रोल्सहरू, तर एकदमै इन्टेन्स रोल थियो। फाइट सिन्स एकदम पिटाइ खाने रोल थियो। 1 महिनाभरि मेरो बडीभरि निल्दामे, अहिले पनि निल्दामे छ मेरो बडीभरि। अहिले पनि यता साइडमा त्यो ब्रुज चाहिँ गएको छैन। त्यो चोक्टे रगतको चोक्टा निस्केको थियो हुन्छ नि एकदमै नै इन्टेन्स रोल चाहिँ मैले गरेँ। आई डिड नट थिङ्क त्यस्तो इन्टेन्स हुन्छ होला भनेर, तर डिरेक्टरले नै अलिकति बढाउँदै जानुभयो रोल्सहरू। मेरो क्लाइमेक्समा मेरो सिन थिएन, तर मेरो क्लाइमेक्स एन्डसम्म सिन राखिदिनु भयो। मेरो सिन आई निड टु गो टु इन्डिया टु सुट द अदर मुभी, प्लिज मेरो हटाइदिनु होइन, तपाईँको यो द मेन क्लाइमेक्स
Don't tell other movies. Say orange chutney. You need to promote it.
orange
Other-
chutney.
What do you mean
What
other
is
movie?
other
It's
movie?
But
Yeah.
I'm like
orange chutney.
other projects as well, especially
Yeah, it
orange.
happens when you do 8-10 films together.
Shut up! This is the second movie.
She's
Not,
already carrying attitude, you know. You just
Oh my
praise
God,
her.
no.
She hasn't been all, I'm telling you.
I'm not.
Imagine 6 months, 1 year later when
Oh,
she's
can you not
featured in
see
few
that?
movies and then
Please cut है मेरो मिडियामै छ कि मेरो एटिट्युड छ भनेर। People think I have so much attitude. I swear I don't. I'm the sweetest person. I feel like अब आफूलाई त्यस्तो तारिफ गर्नु भयो तर
आफूले आफै राम्रो लाग्छ।
तर म त्यस्तो मिन त छुइनँ है, त्यस्तो
No,
त
you're
छैन।
not mean.
या
हामी जिस्काइ मात्रै रहन्छ।
तर एकदमै इन्टेन्स रोल अनि एकदम रमाइलो पनि भयो मुभी गर्नलाई। एकदमै त्यो क्यारेक्टरलाई ग्राब गर्ने मलाई चाहिँ त्यो क्यारेक्टरबाट निस्केपछि पनि म अलिकति ट्रमामै अहिले चाहिँ अलिकति
5 पाण्डवकै ट्रमामा
एउटा पोइन्टमा चाहिँ मलाई त्यो क्यारेक्टरमै त्यो घुमफिर भएपछि म त्यो अहिले पनि आई डोन्ट थिङ्क सो आइ एम एबल टु मुभ पास्ट द्याट त्यो फेस चाहिँ, किनभने त्यो सिन्सहरू चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ याद आइरहेको हुन्छ नि, कस्तो सिरिङ हुन्छ क्या मलाई चाहिँ गुज बम्स आउँछ कि त्यस्तो यस्तो गरेको थिएँ भनेर। सो अलिकति टाइम लाग्छ मलाई चाहिँ त्यो फेसबाट निस्किन होइन। बट भेरी अमेजिङ फिल्म नेपालमा बनेको छ। दिस इज अ भेरी अमेजिङ मुभी द्याट हाम्रो प्रड्युसर हाम्रो डिरेक्टरहरूले गरिदिनु भएको छ। इट्स भेरी अमेजिङ मुभी। सो तिहारमा आउँछ हेरिदिनु होला, अहिले नै प्रमोट गर्दै। बट ऑरेंज चटनी गाइज, लेट्स गो। ऑरेंज चटनी इज द वाइब।
she barely took any break. After the movie after her Past Pandav shooting got over, I told her I was forcing her just take a week off, and she came probably 1 day after the shoot.
I will do it.
Yeah, she was no, I just want do it. I'm so that's really commendable.
ब्रेक चाहिँ लिन मन लागेको छैन किनभने अब अपर्च्युनिटी आइसकेपछि आई डोन्ट वान्ट हुन्छ नि
Miss it.
बिकज आई हेभ अलवेज वान्टेड दिस अनि अहिले आएर चाहिँ ब्रेक लिन चाहिँ आई डोन्ट वान्ट बिकज
Exactly. You just started working.
Yeah, and I'm very newcomer, so I should not be I want to take a break and all of that. I don't think so. I should. So
Continue.
continue.
But there's-
Mazdoor
but
जस्तै।
there's one thing for sure, whoever, everybody, obviously everybody knows Eva. Whoever is seen, whoever will watch the movie, they will be these are two people.
Everyone will watch the movie. Everyone loves Eva Giri actually.
What?
Everyone will watch the movie.
Yeah, exactly.
Because
But
everyone,
I'm saying
every Nepalese
they will-
knows Eva Giri.
that I know, that I
Yeah.
figured out in Goa also when we were shooting. Every Nepalese know her.
Yeah.
But then what I was saying is she's acted so well and so off the character of how she is in real life. So anyone who's gonna watch the movie is gonna research the name down. Is she really Eva?
And actually, you also have many of your fans over here because I
lot,
also watch
insane
yeah,
fan
I also
following,
watch your
guys,
reels
here,
because I didn't know your
Yeah.
name because we don't usually follow Indian influencers and all. But when I saw your picture, I already knew you.
Thank you.
There are a lot of people.
There
who
are a
know
lot of
that.
people who
Yeah,
know
I know.
Insane,
So I
Yeah.
posted a picture and I saw it's
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Filled
might
with
you might
comments.
have seen your when you see your Facebook and all, you
Yeah.
might have seen most of your viewers might be from Nepal.
I saw like normally I don't watch like analytics because I'm like not that guy. I just make stuff and I have fun. Yeah. So only when you go to the place you realize, right?
Yeah.
So I went to the mandir today and like obviously
I went to
outside.
Pashupati Lal today.
You met your fans?
Yeah,
met
a lot
so
of
many,
fans.
so many people. And then
Same fans.
when I posted the pictures, like my comment section is like filled
Welcome
with
to Nepal.
and like meet us, and my
Yeah,
DMs filled with
yeah.
like meet us. But like obviously because I've come here just for the event, it's a very short trip. But that I'm like for sure I'll come next time just to meet
You should
people.
come here because Nepal is such a beautiful place. It's not all about Kathmandu. There are so many
Yes,
beautiful
yes, yes, yes,
places.
100%. That's like in my list now.
So how long are you staying over here?
Like right now, so I'm probably leaving tomorrow.
Okay, you
Yeah,
leave
yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah,
Okay, so it would be very short.
Yeah.
So are you going to try momo?
I want to. I've asked her like take me to a
Have you
place she
seen
has.
orange chutney?
I'm not taking you anywhere.
Like good. She's taken me to have like good Nepalese
First
food,
try
but like
over
momo
here.
I haven't had yet.
First try over here and go to some local place. You will find.
I
it
tried a lot of local
amazing.
food though.
Yeah.
Like she made me try a lot of local food. It's amazing.
So have
But
you-
momo I haven't like had momo yet.
You need to have.
Momo. You heard when I said momo?
Yes. We are teaching you.
No.
He's learning.
He's very pro at it now.
Yeah,
very
Nobody
pro
needs
at
to
it.
be,
He respects momo now.
Yeah. Like when you've been yelled at like so many times.
Has,
It's like
has she taught you any Nepalese word? Or
not yet.
anything?
No.
I'm not-
You don't know any word.
I do.
You forgot. Probably you forgot.
Teaching how to say हाम्रो चलचित्र orange chutney हेरिदिनु होला.
हाम्रो चलचित्र
Amro chalchitra. Orange chutney.
हेरिदिनु होला.
Hedin hola.
फिर से
सम्पूर्ण
बोलो.
नेपालीहरूलाई नमस्कार.
Sampurna.
नेपालीहरूलाई नमस्कार.
Sampurna Nepaliyarla namaskar.
Wow.
See, I'm a quick learner.
म इभा गिरीको फ्यान हुँ.
No. I am
No,
Nick's fan.
Iva Girgi ka fan.
No,
हूँ.
I
That
am-
I am that.
No. I'm his huge fan as well. His work, his
Yeah, his
everything,
work, yeah.
and he's a star.
We know.
Yeah, he's a star.
Yeah,
so
he
like,
is
I
a
don't think
star.
so. He needs an introduction
Yeah,
as well. So,
obviously.
yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your
Thank you,
time.
thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
for
Please
watching
watch the
Orange
movie.
Chutney,
And,
obviously.
yeah.
Yes, please.
And best wishes to you guys.
Thank you.
so
Let
much.
us
Thank
know
you
when you
for
watch
being
this.
here.
Drop us a comment. Please let us know how you like it. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.